Today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the auto captions in Final Cut, and we're going to transcribe that, and then we're going to correct them, and we're going to turn them into titles. So I got this example here, an old video. So we're just going to do a section of this video here.
But yeah, I really love the Osmo Pocket. It's just better than having a phone.
Okay, so what we want to do, select whatever video, and we're going to do transcribe to captions, and you'll see it's very quick. So
But yeah, I really love the Osmo Pocket. It's just better than having a phone. Like you could use your phone, but if you're like me, you don't have a ton of memory on your phone. So to have something like this, to be able to just talk to the camera.
So if you come over to here, you could turn captions on and off. You could also search over here. So just say Osmo, and it'll take you to that instance where you use the word Osmo. I found you could split captions if you change it to like the CEA,
So
but it should let you kind of move these like you want them if the timing's a little off. The split feature doesn't show there, so I think it depends on the length of the clip. But once you got that like you like it, you could come over here and you could adjust some of these colors and whatnot. But we're going to use this tool here called Captionanimator. I'm just going to open it, and you don't have to leave Final Cut. So we're in this untitled project. So this one here, all you got to do is click that and then just drag it over to here. See, no titles are found. So what we got to do first is come over to the titles, just drag it over here, and you could set it to wherever you would like, adjust it, and then so click that, drag it over, and then you could do connected titles or secondary store. Just hit go, and you want to save that somewhere. So now we got them, they're both there. What it did is created a copy, but if you just want to copy those titles only to the actual project you're working in, move your playhead to the first part of it, hit Command C, go back to this project. You could delete that out of there. And if you come over to the left where it says roles, you could uncheck captions and then paste those in.
here very much.
So the cool thing is you could highlight these. And now you have the option to change like the color, outlines. And if it's too long, what you could do is come over to the scale and actually like scale them down just a little bit. And you can move this wherever you would like. So you want to highlight all those. You can move them up. So let's just take a
Very
look
much.
here.
But yeah, I really love the Osmo Pocket. It's just better than having a phone. Like you could use your phone, but if you're like me, you don't have a ton of memory on your phones.
So you can see those are cut off a little bit. So what we could do is just scale those down.
Really, it's just better than having a phone. Like you could use your phone, but if you're
So I think what I did is I didn't select all that. But yeah, there it goes. But you could adjust these however you like. The only thing is you can't really do, like, single words and all that because it's relying on whatever the closed captions are. But anyways, I hope this helps, at least get you part of the way there, and hopefully Final Cut will add auto titles in the future because that'll really help us out. But if you've enjoyed this content, please take a second, hit that subscribe button, comment below, let me know how you're enjoying Final Cut Pro 11.